As far as new technology is concerned, we would like to invest into AI, analytics, and IoT. We have already spent a lot, but we wanted to improve using these technology into our organization because of we have a multiple projects. We have like a smart meter and then street lighting, centralized control monitoring system. So we wanted to strengthen these system by using these technologies. Innovation. So because if you will see that I have learned from this organization, so innovation is the key because energy efficiency is a field which are really innovative kind of things are required. So that company grow manifold within certain period of time. So I learned from this company and that management. Innovation is the key. We have also launched a Innovate to Inspire, under which there are certain innovative idea we are asking across international conference every year. So it comes under the 5 different energy efficiency, grid management, and financial instruments for the energy efficiency and smart cities. I wanted to reveal one thing. Myself and my family is associated with Brahma Kumaris, and then we used to do a lot of meditation because in this stressful environment, be it in a personal life, it is a professional life, lot of stress in the life, and then so meditation is one thing which takes out, which channelize your thoughts, take out your negativity out of from your mind, and then you give better output and better yields. And that I have practiced, and then certain situations came up, we have resolved a lot of problems by using meditation. Once you grow in a hierarchy, like so you doesn't involve very much into the technical side, but as far as myself is concerned, I used to like read a lot every day. Reading for me is 1.5 hours. Once I travel, I used to like subscribe many websites, so I got alerts. I used to read down, and then which gives you actual insight at that level which is required. At this level, you don't require so many coding. You deep down to the database and then fine tune that. But you know what needs to be done, what is there, what is the output, how it can be linked into your scenario in your organization with your problem. As far as project strategy is concerned, EESL is closely work with the BE. So it's a PM vision for clean energy. It's one of the 8th mission which PM has announced. So our for carbon footprint reduction and then energy efficient environment. So most of the product in terms of software or in terms of company products, so we in line with that mission, and then we decide on that. Because the C-suite is there, like it's totally depend on data. There are lot of things are there, be it manufacturing, be it retail, be it any industry. Nobody wanted to go, as far as management is concerned, nobody wanted to go what technology you are using, what you are using, they want the result. But because of innovative way and then the decision making which can be done through data only. So role of CIO come into very crucial at this point of time to collect the data from various technology, make a pool of it and present it to the management. Digital transformation is a key for that, right? So if we will see around 10 years back, the leadership was a like different ball game. Right now, there are various technologies are there, like communication style, like regular and very clear communications give you a very good strategy in your organization. There should be a proper communication at every level. Apart from transparency has to be increased by using these means. So these are the various and then digital workplace. These 3 things which has like giving a different kind of leadership role in a current scenario. we are actually, as far as IT is concerned, in my organization, we are a just 2.5-year-old IT company. But as far as company is concerned, this is an 8-year-old company. So IT has been started just 2.5 years. We have all the required technology which has been built during that time, and it has become technology company. But right now it has to be maintained, and then we have to strengthen the backbone of that, right? So SAP we have already implemented, and then we have cloud, IoT we have there. So as far as latest things are concerned, analytics and AI is the need of an hour for my organization.